Good morning, everyone. I just woke up. I am ready for a new day. I am stretching my arms. I slept for many hours. Now my body feels awake. I am making my bed. My blanket is all messy. Now my bed looks nice and clean. I am opening the window. My room feels a little stuffy. Fresh air is coming inside. I am drinking a glass of water. I feel a little thirsty. Now I feel refreshed and ready. I am washing my face. I still feel a little sleepy. The cool water wakes me up. I am brushing my teeth. I want clean and healthy teeth. Now my smile looks great. I am combing my hair. My hair is messy this morning. Now it looks neat and tidy.
I am getting dressed. I need to get ready for the day. Now I look presentable.
I am going to the kitchen. My stomach is starting to growl. It is time for breakfast. I am making breakfast. I am feeling very hungry. The food smells delicious. I am eating my breakfast. I worked hard to make this meal. It tastes really good. I am packing my bag. I need my books and supplies. Now I have everything I need. I am putting on my shoes. I am almost ready to leave. Now I can go outside. I am leaving home now. I am excited for today's adventures. Have a wonderful day, everyone.